Hello, and welcome to the ARKANCE Dock application. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating and installing your Be.𝗦𝗺 tools using a standalone license. Once you receive your license from ARKANCE, you'll get all the details about your tools, including product and service description, license type, standalone, licensing model information, start and expiration dates, number of seats for purchased products. To activate your license, copy the activation code that matches your Revit version. Paste it into the ARKANCE Dock application. This will activate your software. You can install all the tools at once or choose to install them later, selecting which ones to start with. After installation, we recommend restarting Revit to ensure everything works smoothly. All your activated tools will appear under the My Tools tab. Enjoy using your Be.𝗦𝗺 product. If you need help, contact support via Help and Support button.